Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating the ASB NET project in Visual Studio 2022 and immediately add Bootstrap so UI work is fast. Install Bootstrap with NuGet or libman to keep packages tracked. This gives you Bootstrap. Min, CSS and Bootstrap. Bundle, min, JS files. Once done, open layout. CSHTML and reference the CSS in the head and the JS before /body. Make sure scripts are loaded after jQuery only if you use legacy plugins, otherwise Bootstrap. Bundle covers Popper for you. Next, convert your pages to Bootstrap structure so responsiveness works across devices. Replace fragmented HTML with container, row, and call classes to create a responsive grid, and swap in Bootstrap navbars, cards, and form controls to standardize appearance. Once done, prefer razor tag helpers or partial views for repeated components so changes propagate easily. Also make sure to test at multiple breakpoints locally and adjust classes like colmd6 or collg4 for the desired layout behavior. Finally, prepare for production by bundling and minifying Bootstrap assets using your preferred build pipeline or Visual Studio tooling so load times improve. Once deployed, verify script order and clear browser cache if styles don't appear. Console errors often point to missing files. Make sure the Bootstrap version you installed matches documentation examples you follow, because components and class names change between major releases. If a component fails, recheck references, run a hard reload, and inspect the Network tab to confirm files are served.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.